Oh, guys, I had to clear my storage of the phone because it is misbehaving. So I want to rectify it because they have gone. So when it's now at almost 7 p.m. So I need to rectify everything, whatever they used. Now I need to rectify, to assemble everything that they left. So because the rain will come, we need to see the ballast that has cement. I put it together. Also, I need to gather this. We call it this bumbi. It is the same as ballast, but the one which looks like telazo. Everything wants you to be around it when it's time for construction. If you leave some people, it will be a mess. So this one I'll bring a spade, I scoop it, I throw it there. I need to gather it together. Thanks to my dad and mama, I salute you. Because you made me acknowledge that every skill you taught me, I can use it somewhere. Yeah, because of the wind, heavy winds, I have to do like this. And the rains are coming, so that's the reason as why I want to gather this together, put it there, so that the water can't take it. Yeah. And if I don't do it today, tomorrow it's gonna be heavy because due to the rain, guys. this way. Yeah. So I'm multitasking. I'm trying to assemble the left ballast and the dust, which is like crushed, but it's in form of ballast, and also the sand. And then I'll bring a spade, I scoop it. Also, on the other hand, there's this ballast which was already mixed up with water, with waterproof, and also the cement, and it has a ballast, the sand also. So I want to fix it so that I can go and take it in the other side where we are deciding, so that we can use it outside the poultry house and also outside the home. Yeah, because we are staying there. So I'm not intending to leave anything to go in a waste. Because if I leave this one, it will come clumsy, hold each other, because the rains are here. It has already everything. It's a mixture of everything. So now I'm gonna show you. I need to put this together, and also I need, like, from here we're gonna leave this one to come here this way, but from this side, this portion, it's gonna go west. I need to dig it up to this side, like straight forward. I take it in the other side. I need to rectify here because we had put corn and some beans. I need to gather this. I need to gather this together. I put it in a heap, a form of a heap. Also this one, I need to bring a spade. So I'm telling you guys, I'm having a lot to do. So I need to put this one up to this side. I assemble it together here, and this one here. I need to rectify everything. Yeah, I am. So yes, we can, and we're gonna do it. But the rains are coming from the other side. You see, it is raining in the other side, but the rain which comes here comes from this portion. Yeah. So let me take this one. I pour it in the house of chicken, the poultry house. Yeah, that's why I'm taking this. I haven't finished. Yeah, I think I need to do it. So guys, see you in a while. A little bit. Yeah.